Hi everyone. So today we're going to talk about how to write a function, right, which takes an input as a string. Let's say it's s, and what is the output? The output is another string which has all elements in s duplicated. It might not be clear with the question, so I'll just try to explain it with an example. So example, let's say s is equals to ABC. Then what we need to return as an output is A needs to be returned twice, and B again needs to be duplicated, then C needs to be duplicated. So each element gets duplicated, and this is the output that we want to return. Okay, there might be some doubts about like what if S is empty, then output here in this case should again be empty. What if let's say S has duplicate elements, like S already has AA, then again we have to duplicate each element. So that's why each element like A should be again duplicated, and then the other A should again be duplicated. This is the output that we need to return. Again, guys, please feel free to stop me wherever you have any doubts. Okay, now let's start the algorithm. How do we start writing it? So let's say first of all, just straight away try to write the definition of this function. So what this function takes as an input function twin, it takes an input string s, right? Now, first of all, we need this output, right? Output into output string. So output is equals to first of all an empty string. Then we iterate over each element in the output in the string s, in the string input s, in the string s, and we append each element twice to the output. And finally, once this for loop is over, the output will contain a duplicated string. It will just finally return the output. Let's try to test this algorithm for an example. Let's say the string input s, string s is equals to ABC. We'll see how twin s is calculated. So once the string is passed to the output, what we'll see is, let's say we make a table. This is the element. What is the output? Right? How did it vary? First, initially it's just 0 and there's no element as such. The for loop hasn't started. Second, let's say for the first iteration of the for loop, we'll try to go with each element. So here is ABC is element. So element will be A. The output will be, this will be just an empty string. This is A, and this is again A. So the output will be A. Then we go on to the next iteration of the for loop. Now the output and element have changed. Now the element becomes B. So output is AA now. Element is B. This element is B. So now if we add all this together, you'll form AA, BB. Similarly, when C comes, the output will be AA, BB. The element will be just C. And the new string will be AA, BB, CC. So you see how we go each element, and then we try to duplicate it using for loop and append each element twice to the output. Final output returned would be the output that we want, right? So this is how we implement the twin function. Thank you so much. And feel free to ask any questions right now. And we can also connect later offline as well.